Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Thales and Renault Group agreed partnership to build sovereign French drone industry and produce TOUTATIS loitering munition. Thales and Renault Group signed a strategic partnership agreement to jointly develop and industrialize large-scale production of Thales TOUTATIS loitering munition. The companies said the agreement was intended to support the creation of a sovereign, agile and competitive drone industry in France. The partnership combines Thales' defense technology expertise with Renault Group's industrial engineering and manufacturing capabilities. The companies said the project was fully aligned with the requirements of the wartime economy. Production of the TOUTATIS loitering munition could begin as early as 2027. The planned manufacturing capacity would reach 1,000 units per month from the first year, marking a significant increase in France's industrial capacity in this strategic field. The companies said the partnership would help secure a resilient and sovereign supply of munitions for France. It is also intended to address evolving operational and strategic requirements of the armed forces while strengthening the competitiveness of the national defense industry. TOUTATIS is a short-range loitering munition designed for high-intensity conflicts. Thales said the system gives armed forces a new operational advantage and can be deployed by dismounted soldiers. The munition can also be launched from several types of platforms. These include combat vehicles, aircraft and naval platforms. TOUTATIS is resistant to electromagnetic jamming and is equipped with a mission-configurable warhead. The system is capable of neutralizing targets such as combat vehicles while keeping human operators in the decision-making loop. The munition can also operate as part of a drone swarm. Thales described TOUTATIS as a scalable system designed to adapt to evolving operational requirements. François Provost, Chief Executive Officer of Renault Group, said, "This new strategic partnership between Thales and Renault Group unites the strengths of two French champions in support of France's sovereign drone industry. Renault Group brings its industrial expertise to the TOUTATIS project, along with the highest standards of automotive manufacturing, to design, industrialize and produce at scale, within shortened timelines and at optimized costs. I am proud of the work accomplished by our teams. It makes a tangible contribution to the initiatives undertaken with the French Ministry of the Armed Forces and strengthens both French and European defense capabilities." Patrice Caine, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Thales, said, "This partnership with Renault Group marks an important milestone in strengthening sovereign, large-scale, world-class capabilities in the field of drones. By combining Thales' excellence in advanced technologies with Renault Group's industrial strength, this partnership addresses the needs of the armed forces while meeting the requirements of the wartime economy." The announcement followed the unveiling by Renault Group and Thales of the Fortrup tactical vehicle. The vehicle was presented as an innovative platform designed to meet the evolving operational requirements of land forces. The Fortrup integrates drones, sensors, hybrid secure communications and artificial intelligence-enhanced decision support tools. The companies said it provides armed forces with a vehicle offering significantly enhanced operational capabilities. The TOUTATIS partnership reflects a wider effort to link advanced defense systems with industrial-scale production capacity in France. Thales and Renault Group said the cooperation would support both national sovereignty and the ability to respond to future battlefield requirements. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.